Welcome to Motorman. In this channel we are providing information about different accessories of automotives. Follow the video description and click on the links for more details. Let's watch the video. Beam Electronics Universal Smartphone Car Air Vent Mount Holder. Simple of operation, saves time and power. Just press button on back of unit to slide open and then take out mobile phone. Press the arms on both sides to clamp mobile phone again. The fully 360-degree rotation provide you with the best viewing angle. The holder fit for most cell phones and ensures safe driving whether you are talking, navigating, listening to music or charging. Simplistic installation, single-handed operation, no tools needed. Next, Mpow 051 car phone mount. Makes your unused CD slot functional again with Mpow phone holder. You can still listen to CDs with the mount installed, because it wouldn't damage your CD slot. The extended arm fits with most smartphones and keeps your phone safe and stable. It has 3 side grips to hold your device in place. A little button along the sides can be pushed which prompts the phone to pop out of the mount. What's more, you get a 360-degree rotation for great viewing angles. It makes keep an eye on GPS navigation when needed but both of your hands on the wheel for a safe driving. Next, WizGear Universal Air Vent Magnetic Phone Car Mount Holder. It's a powerful magnetic phone car mount. The reinforced magnetic holder of this mount is what sets it apart from other mounts. It produces an intensive force of attraction that will hold any smartphone. Rotate your smartphone and swivel your display as you please. The base of the mount remains fixed into the air vent of your car and does not move, no matter how much swiveling or rotation you do. Fits into the back of any smartphone. It has a smooth surface that is perfectly suitable for mounting and holding any smartphone in place. It is 10 times easier to use than any other magnetic phone mount holder due to its simple and complementary design. Next, Maxboost DuraHold Series Car Phone Mount. Featuring a ball swivel for 360-degree rotation, jointed arm for easy movement and an extendable neck for extended viewing. Rotate your smartphone in any orientation and at any angles, giving you the most comfortable and perfect viewing experience. No tools necessary for installation. Simply adhere base of car mount to desired surface and lock it in place. Securely holds your smartphone to your dashboard or windshield providing you with a hands-free driving experience. Featuring extendable arms to accommodate smartphones of all sizes and an anti-slip pad to completely hold your device in place. Next, Lamicall car cell phone mount. No worry about falling and scratching. The 2 clips design and retractable cradle holds your phone securely and prevents it from falling off while driving, even on bumpy roads. The clips are padded with rubber cushions that protect your phone as well as air vent from scratches. Adjustable angle and easy installation car phone mount can easily rotate your phone to any direction. It grips the air vent tightly and it's easy to insert and remove your phone with one hand. Great for long trips if using GPS. Pocket-sized phone car mount can be used as travel stand and hands-free phone mount on desk, table or other flat surfaces. Next, Bosynoy cell phone holder for car. The dashboard GPS holder for car is suitable for most kind of cell phones or GPS devices between 3 to 6.8 inch. This phone holder for car dashboard also fit for GPS navigation such as Garmin TomTom Magellan Road Neiman etc. The bottom of the car dash phone holder is made from high-tech adhesives. Wash the base with water and dry it when you want to move it to another car, and then install it. Follow the installation steps. Made of high-quality plastic and rubber, the car mount for a cell phone is long lifespan and aging resistant. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe our channel Motorman and press the bell button to get more update and video on Motorman on YouTube.